The greytHR Excel import feature enables bulk data uploads into your greytHR account. It allows you to import multiple categories of employee information from Excel files, including payroll data, leave and attendance records, income tax override details, and other employee-related information. From your greytHR admin login, navigate to Employee, Admin, Excel import page. On this page, you can view a list of uploaded files. Select the importer type from the drop-down. For example, to upload employee access card details in bulk, select Access Card Details template from the drop-down and click on Import from Excel. Click to download the sample file and open it. Before filling in the details, read the notes provided in the file and review the comments mentioned in each cell to avoid file upload errors. Columns highlighted in red are mandatory. Remove the sample data and update the spreadsheet with your employee's access card details. Ensure that the employee number is always in text format. A common issue occurs when the employee number is in numeric format. To convert numbers into text format, select the column, click on Data, choose Text to Columns, click Next again, select Text, then click Finish and save the file. Upload the file by clicking on Upload File and then click Next. If you have used the suggested format, the columns will be automatically mapped to the related fields. If your Excel file column titles differ from the suggested titles, you will need to manually map the columns to the appropriate database fields. Click Next to start the Excel importer validation. Click Next again to complete the wizard. A success message will be displayed once the import is completed. Click OK to view the list of uploaded files. In this section, you can download the file, view its status, or delete it. You can follow the same procedure to upload any other employee-related information using the greytHR Excel import feature. With this, we conclude the greytHR how-to video series. Thank you for watching.